This Keaty Real Estate, LLC property video is presented by Bev LaBeouf. Beautifully maintained French Acadian-style home nestled in Harbor Lights Subdivision, offering timeless curb appeal, an inviting covered front porch, and a thoughtfully designed open floor plan perfect for everyday living and entertaining. Welcome to this charming 3-bedroom, 2-bath home nestled in the desirable Harbor Lights Subdivision. Step inside to an inviting open floor plan featuring 10-foot ceilings, engineered wood flooring, and a stunning brick arch that beautifully defines the main living area. The spacious living room showcases a cathedral ceiling, a cozy gas fireplace, and overlooks the covered patio with an extended concrete area perfect for outdoor entertaining or relaxing with morning coffee. The well-appointed kitchen is designed for both everyday living and entertaining, offering granite countertops, a breakfast bar, stainless steel appliances including a gas range, built-in microwave, dishwasher, and ample workspace. Just off the living area, you'll find a stylish dry bar complete with granite countertops and a stainless steel wine cooler, adding the perfect touch for hosting family and friends. The generous primary suite provides a peaceful retreat with a large walk-in closet and an ensuite bath featuring dual vanities, a soaking tub, and a separate shower. 2 additional bedrooms are conveniently located on the opposite side of the home and share a well-appointed hall bath. Step outside to enjoy the privacy-fenced backyard, complete with a covered patio and extended concrete space ideal for grilling, gatherings, or simply unwinding after a long day. Whether you're a first-time homebuyer, looking to downsize, or searching for a low-maintenance home in a convenient location, this beautiful property offers easy access to shopping, restaurants, and everyday conveniences while providing